Welcome to the wood shop. Today I'm going to be talking about these two items. They are Flex's subcompact 24 volt drill driver and impact driver. They come in a kit. Lowe's has got them on sale now for $99. I'll tell you how I bought them. I bought them 2 weeks ago for $200. $199 I paid for these two. Last week they went on sale for $149. So I went back last week, got $50 back. They price checked it. Gave them my $50 back. This weekend, they went on sale for $99. So I went back up to Lowe's this morning, got my another $50 back. So to me, this is the best deal going this season, is $99 for this top of the line Flex. I mean, these are made by Chervon. Chervon makes Ego, which is, it's got the best battery solutions out there for outdoor power equipment. They make Skil and they make Flex. So Skil's kind of their lower end brand. Flex is their top of the line brand. And I'm telling you, these are heavy duty. And you'll look, I've got a video coming up on the compact drills. This one is the heaviest of the bunch, like 2 or 3 ounces, not much, but it's still compact. But these deliver the power you need. These are 24 volt. They both come with a 2.5 amp hour, not stacked lithium, but just regular lithium ion batteries. Charge time, I charged it with the included 160 watt charger. Charge time on these batteries with the 160 watt was 35 minutes. I have a 280 watt faster charger and it took 24 minutes. So if you got that, you could use that. I'll be talking about that battery charger in a little bit. Let's get in and take a little bit closer look at these. Okay, so here is the drill. It is model 1131. Nice and narrow. As you can see, it's got 2 speeds. That's speed 1, speed 2. It's got a mechanical clutch with 17 settings. You click it over, you can go to drive mode or drill mode also. Fits well in the hand. The light is here angled up, mounted on the drill. Variable speed trigger. You can see the it's got a great trigger. These are well made with all metal chucks. Comes with the 2.5 amp hour battery. Of course, these batteries have these 4 lights that light up. You see how this light works on the drill. The problem with this, you may get a shadow depending on where you're drilling. I like the ones that are on the actual chuck itself, around the chuck, but this will probably do the trick. I mean, for $50, this is the best deal on the market. I'm going to show you. We'll do some drilling here in a little bit, and also I've got another, like I said, I got a video coming out with some head-to-head comparisons with these compact drills. This one is the model FX1331. A nice slim profile. It's a compact. Of course, these all are brushless. This one has, as you can see here, it's got 3 modes. Press the button, mode 1, mode 2, and that white is self-tapping mode, so you don't strip the screws out. It does not have a quick chuck. You have to put it in, of course, pull the ring out. To release it, you do the same. Show you a little bit of difference between the compact and the regular. So this is the 1371. You can see it's a little bit wider and I think this one actually may be a little shorter. Of course, this one has the button for the quick release. This one also has the turbo that everybody loves so much, and I love it too. but that is the full-size brushless. Let's take a look at what else comes with the kit. So you get these two, and you get a 160 watt fast charger. These chargers have two fans in them, one to cool the battery, one to cool the charger itself. As you can see, these are your exhaust holes that go into the battery. You can see this battery's got matching holes here. So you just push it in, those holes line up, and air comes through the battery and out these vents. So I've never had a problem with one of these getting very hot when you're charging it. So that comes with the 160 watt. Now, the full size came, if you get the larger batteries, the stacked lithium batteries, they come with the 280 watt charger. But this one, like I said, was 35 minutes to charge this battery to full capacity, and the other one took 24 minutes. Okay, also you get a flex tool bag, put them in, a hard bottom on it, nice heavy canvas. I got a million of these things. I don't know what I ever do with any of them. They also come with two belt clips, or hang on a second, a belt clip and a little bit retention holder. As you can see, you've got a hole here and here, so you can put both on at the same time. It also comes with a flex Phillips 2 and a T25. Now you only get two of these with the kit. The other one does not have that. Okay, I'm back. I was going to be boastful and show you my new bourbon blade chisel knife, and I almost cut my finger opening this damn thing. Anyway, it is sharp, people. Be careful. Now, let's talk a little bit about what other companies are doing right now today, what you can get these for. To me, some of them are lower quality, some are the same quality, depending upon what your thoughts are. And I'm going to be putting pictures up here of what I pulled off the site. So the DeWalt Subcompact, $149, comes with two batteries and a charger. The Skil, which is the little brother to this, comes with one battery, and it's $149. So it's $50 more than this. The Milwaukee is the only one I didn't get off of Lowe's. I think I got it off Northern Tool. It's $179 for the kit, including the two 200-hour batteries. And the Metabo HPT brushless is $149. So as you can see, this is the best deal going. I mean, to me, this is a lot better. You'll see in that review I'm going to have up next week on the compact drill, this thing's a lot better than the Metabo. And I know it's better than the Skil. Now, to me, the Rigid, the DeWalt, and the Milwaukee are just like this in the testing I've done on the subcompacts. The larger drills, the Rigid may fall back a little bit, but on the subcompacts, it holds its own. So don't forget to look at that video. Okay, I got to tell you, that was a little embarrassing. Sliced my finger open, opening up these. But I hope you guys got a good look at my chisel knife. Anyway, I was thinking about editing it out. I said, you know what? Accidents happen in the shop, and I don't want to be one of those that edits out everything that goes bad. That's why a lot of times I'll put bloopers at the end of my videos. If you look at that Festool versus the Mercaderos, at the end of it, there's a blooper where it took me 10 minutes to say Mercaderos with the model number. So that's not what I'm going to do here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I've got a 1-inch, an 1 5/8 drywall screw. I got a 2-inch screw and a 3-inch. Let's see how this impact driver works with each of them. Like I said, it does not have a quick connect. These are Phillips. I'm going to start out speed 1. Two-inch. Now this is 2x6 pine treated. Now we'll go speed 2. I don't know if you can see that, but it's on speed 2. 1-inch. 1 5/8. 2-inch. And the 3-inch. Now I'm going to put it on the self-tapping mode. That's a self-tapping mode. I got the 1-inch. Now I know when I have a DeWalt, when I put it on this mode, it'll go until it starts impacting, then it will stop. You wait a second, it'll keep going a little bit slower. So let's see how this one does. I mean, I sunk this thing 3/8 deep. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. You know what? Let me put the 2-inch in here. See if that makes any difference. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It may be set where it's sheet metal, where it keeps going. As soon as it grabs, it slows down. But this thing will just sink them just like speed 2. So I don't know. I know one thing. I'll never use that mode anyway. Typically we use speed 2 on everything. If I've got something very delicate, I'll use speed 1 and kind of feather the trigger a little bit. So that's it. That's the Flex. I'm telling you, this is the best deal going right now. $99 for the entire kit. Includes the batteries, the holder, the charger, the bag. Go get it.